Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Sunday Funday, and this is hosted by Dyanne and Janny from Deco and Yvonne from Gingerchick Rehab. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So these are the few simple and easy farmhouse projects that I wanted to show, and some I upcycled. This bottle that I upcycled and into a flower vase. So let me start with this beautiful galvanized bucket of flowers. It's from Michael's, and they are like two for $1. And these were like in silver color to give like a galvanized effect to it. And I gave some black patches here and there to just give like that kind of a look. And then to the handle, I just twined the jute twine And also I filled with some of bags inside, stuffed with that, and then I gave Spanish moss on top and decorated with lavender flowers. So this is a basket filled with lavenders from Farmhouse. So that's the look I wanted to give there. And the next one is this is actually one of my perfume bottle. It kind of got like beautiful shape to it, so I painted beige color as you saw the process, and I also twined it up the mouth of the bottle with the jute twine and some of the greeneries on top. So this is also one of the flower vase from Farmhouse. And this is a cute bird nest, and I just love this. Got this cupcake liner from Dollar Tree, and this is like a gray cupcake liner with white polka dots on it. It was looking so good. I thought like I should make it like a bird's nest out of this. So I just stuffed a lot of floral moss and Spanish moss, and this birdie is sitting and resting in her nest. I gave some feather around her and some greenery, some flowers. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. And you saw this is one of the canisters lid. I just twined it up with the jute twine, and I gave like a razor for her. So these are the few simple and easy farmhouse projects that I wanted to share in this video, and I absolutely love all of them. So let me know your thoughts on this, which one is your favorite, and you want to leave any comments in my comment section. I would appreciate that. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.